Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, and look at this screenshot. This is Sam Druce. He made over $12,000 only on day 3 of the month selling his online course. Now, Sam is a client of mine, and I help him create, sell, and automate his online course, and I have also helped hundreds of others do the same. Now, how is it I'm able to help Sam and others make this kind of money in an online course? Well, it's because I have sold over $10 million in online courses. We've done $7.34 million on Stripe, and we've done about $3 million on PayPal. And these are the numbers that I produce every day for my online course. And I love helping other people take their knowledge and their expertise and get it out there and impact the world and make a great living at the same time. So listen, if you would like some help for free, I would like to invite you to watch a training where I'm going to show you some of the top things I did to create such a lucrative online course business. You can click the link included with this video, register for the webinar. It is an on-demand webinar. You don't have to wait. You don't have to pick a time. You can watch it immediately, and it's only about 50 minutes. And when you watch this webinar, you're going to see some behind the scenes of not only how I built a profitable online course business, but how I have also helped others do the same, okay? And if this resonates with you, if you like what you see, at the end, you'll have an opportunity to book a call with my team where we can take a look at your online course idea or business and see if we can help you. Again, totally optional, no pressure at all. But if you want some help bringing your idea to life or increasing sales for your online course, then click the link included with this video so that you can get some of the results like Sam has got and like I've got, and really build a business that you love and help impacting people, all right? I hope to see your success with some of the tips I share on this training. Go ahead, click it now and check it out.